Hey guys. No. All right. Hey everyone. Let's start over. Hello world. So you guys asked me for a little update on my keyboard situation. And like I said in the previous video, I ordered the GergoPlex keyboard, which is an ergonomic split keyboard with non-default layout. Really weird layout, if you want to know the truth. And here it is. So this half I already put together. I soldered on all these little switches. Now in this other part, this other half, I haven't finished yet. I started soldering them and then I destroyed the tip of my soldering iron because I'm just not good at this stuff. But anyway, I got another one right here and I'm about to finish this. So I only have a couple switches yet to solder, then I'll put on the keycaps and then we'll see if this thing works. I'll just show it really quickly. I'll just take the switch and I'll put it into place. I'll turn it around and what I do, and I'm probably doing this wrong. Anyway, so what I do is I put some books on top of this board. Just want to get a little weight. I'll make sure that it's, that it's all the way. And then I'll just try my best at soldering. And if I could do this again, I would probably get it pre-built, just because there's a good chance that you might screw up one of the switches. And with a keyboard, if you screw up one of the switches, the entire keyboard is ruined. So I actually got this little board to practice on, but this doesn't even have anything on it, so I couldn't really. Well, actually, I could have practiced on this, but I didn't. I went straight to the main board. I don't know. Anyway, so here is the left part of the keyboard. I'm gonna plug in probably the jack cable. It looks like a jack cable. I don't know what it is called. TRC or something like that. We're gonna plug in the right half. That's just satisfying. And we got the USB cord right here. So it's all wired up now. So the keyboard is all connected and now it's time to give it a test with this crooked USB-C connector. I had to clean this up a little bit, but here we go. Here's the keyboard. All right, it's connected. Let's log in. Yes, I'm looking at how to solder video. So it should be connected now. I'm gonna give it a try. All right, the text editor is running. I'm looking at it right now and I can type letters. This one doesn't work. There's one that doesn't work. That's going to be a problem. Most of them work though. Ooh, another one that doesn't work. Looks like I did a terrible job trying to solder this thing. So I verified that most keys are working and that I can actually type with this keyboard. I can type some letters. Fantastic. I need to finish the left half with my bag of keycaps. So one thing you'll notice is that these keys right here are supposed to be a little bit larger. But my set from AliExpress just didn't have those, so I'm gonna order them somewhere else. I saw some really beautiful sets of keycaps that I'm gonna look into, but this is just a temporary solution for now, just so that I can actually try and learn how to use this keyboard, even though this isn't perfect. Now I do have one last problem, and this left half. It's scratching the surface somehow, so it means I left one of the solder points too large. So I'm gonna get my soldering iron again and try to fix that. Okay, so to sum it up, this is what my setup looks like now. Like I said, I'm not gonna be using this keyboard a whole bunch, but I'm gonna try and learn how to use it. I'll maybe use it for typing notes about books, something like that. Something that doesn't require special symbols because it's hard enough with just text, but I think I can learn how to type text on this. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll give you another update maybe in a couple days to tell you how it's going with this one and if I have ordered another one.